Hi guys, welcome back to Atharv Guruji channel. Today we will learn SQL Page. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. So let's get started. So basically in SQL Server you are storing data into a table. So in table you are storing the data in column and row format. So this data internally store in the SQL pages. See this. This is SQL page. So the SQL page size is 8 KB. Every SQL page size is 8 KB, means 8192 bytes. And SQL page contains page header. So the page header contains 96 bytes. Page header basically stores information about the page type, next and previous page if it's an index page for better searching. These are the row 1, row 2, row 3, means it is row data based on your table. And here you see this row 1, row 2, row 3 and row offset. So basically it contains all data rows information, how far the rows is from the start of the page. Important part here is every data row has a row offset and the size of row offset is 2 bytes per row. So suppose if your one page is filled, then SQL will insert the remaining data into second page based on your fill factor. So we will cover the fill factor in next video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.